Found a nice quiet spot for tonight. Came away for a night because I wanted to try out our new air fryer and the big battery bank we just got. So I thought we'd come along here for the night. I'm just out with my coffee. And Leanne and the girls are drawn. Might even be able to have a fire tonight. See what the weather holds. Got some new upgrades to the van. This is the first new upgrade. Got a bigger power bank. I decided to get us an air fryer as well. Oh, an air fryer slash oven. Thing we're trying some pancakes and croissants in the new oven. Yummy.
Yeah.
The first thing we've hit up in the air fryer.
There you go.
Is it good?
Jealous.
Good.
One.
Ours are in there, mummy.
Oh, you love me.
Cross over. Come on then.
Hold my hand.
Packed up for tonight. So we've got a lot of work out there for.
Yeah. And that's a walk.
Oh, that's a walk.
You carry the elephant.
Okay, you hold this. Right, point it down this way. I'll carry you down. Watch your fingers and film Daddy. Lift up the way. You see Daddy? Good job. Come on then.
Daddy.
It's okay, keep coming. Sky, can you film Dad and Ella? Come on then, Ella.
Daddy.
What?
Like good on it.
Hi. Good job.
Okay.
It's a fire pit.
Yeah. We want a fire there.
Yeah, we'll have a fire there. It's cold now, don't touch it though. We're going to see the water.
Dad, I smell that.
You smell the fire?
Yeah, I smell that. Ah, Mom, Mom.
Someone's spoon. They're missing their spoon.
Let me go that way.
Yeah.
That way. Yeah. Hey, Dad, we don't want to go in there.
Daddy wants to go in there.
No, Daddy.
Why?
Kids.
We're not allowed to jump in the water.
No.
Okay, can Daddy jump in the water? Yeah?
No. No.
We've got to go along the road and see what beaches we can see. This guy wants to find another stony beach, don't you?
Yeah. What, Dad?
You want to find another stony beach?
Yeah.
The rapids down there.
What?
Look how fast the water's moving down there.
Wow.
It's creating on the rapids.
Dad, let's go. Wow.
Super fast. How
Because
clear the water is.
what?
How clear the water is.
It can clear the water.
Yeah.
It's very flat. But I just want to build something with them rocks.
We'll find the bit we can get down to because it's really steep here, okay?
Alright, let's find the way to take pictures.
It's videoing. So you can hear the both of us. That's why we've got the mics on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that big tree. All the ferns growing out it. You see it? You need to hold on, remember? The big tree. See all the ferns growing out the tree? All the leaves?
Yeah.
Good job. Remember?
Wow.
You can make everyone seasick.
What?
You're going to make everyone seasick. You're swinging everywhere. Go on then. You see it?
Yeah. Look how the dry water is.
Do you see the big measuring stick over the other side?
What big measure?
Come over here. Right, look down there. Do you see the big measuring stick? That
Yeah.
tells you how high the water is. Do you see it? Good job. You dancing? Good job. Come on then. What are you doing?
What?
Come on then, let's go back up here and we'll go walk. My son's
Alright
decided
then.
to join us.
But Dad, I want to find stuff. I want to find some treasure.
Okay, come on then.
Find some treasure. March, march, march. We can always find something good.
Look at how dark the sky is over there.
Ah.
After Sky saying about treasure, I just checked the
Where's
geocaching app and there's actually
treasure,
one
Dad?
not too far, so we've got to walk along and see if we can find it, aren't we?
Is it not too far?
It's not too far. Go along and see if we can find the geocache.
Yeah.
Good job. A little log cabin. Not sure what it's for. Walk over and see.
Geocaching.
Come on then you. Let's go see what this log cabin is.
Where can we go?
Maybe a buffet.
Geocaching. I'm following you,
waffle.
Dad.
Big lock to the door. We can find it then.
Geocaches. But why did we go past that?
Because you wanted to come see the bridge.
What?
You wanted to see the bridge.
Dad, I should go that way.
You want to walk up the hill?
Yeah. Diamond.
You found a diamond?
No, it's just a white stone.
Good imagination, that.
I'm only kidding, Dad.
Go see if you can see the camper van.
Yes.
Good. We'll wave to Mummy from the other side of the water.
Yes.
That sounds fun, doesn't it?
Yeah. Dad, what number is it on now?
3.
What?
3.
3. Sorry, Dad. Yeah. That was a big flash.
What's the obsession with clouds and throwing stuff in the water? Right, come on then. You're a toe rag.
What?
You've been a toe rag. Missed. One more. That's your best one, well done. Come on then. We'll go back and see Mummy and Ella.
That was tumbling.
Yeah, let's go see Mum and Ella. What have we got for dinner? That's been silly. What's your favourite for dinner tonight?
Ice cream.
No. What else do you like? It's Mummy and Ella. Mummy and Ella's came to join us. You alright? You fixing your hair? Ella! Hello. The power of the water. Sky was looking at all the foam.
I know.
It's crazy, it's all built up in one little bit.
The more geocaching.
We found the treasure. Now just time to sign it. Sky.
Yeah? Mom,
The sun's out.
I don't like the sunshine. Cause no.
Tucking away nicely. We're just having the simple dinner tonight. Some chicken nuggets and chips, the girls' favourites. Really happy with our new power bank as well. It's the EcoFlow Delta 3 we've got. And it's running in the oven perfectly, so I can't complain. That's cooked lunch and now cooking dinner. And there's still 50% in it. And dinner's not long till it's ready. Turned out really well. Time to dish it up, then we'll get dinner. Simple dinner for us tonight. Some chicken nuggets and chippies. Is that Bernie? Fifth it.
Not the knife because it's rusty and you'll burn your fingers. You put your finger in it.
Good morning, everybody. Turned out to a really nice morning. Sky's still sleeping and Ella's having their breakfast, so I'm going to take a walk down the river and see that. I don't know where we were having a fire last night. It started to rain, so, and we'd burnt all our wood, so it turned out pretty well. Nice and peaceful. The fire pit was really helpful. And it burnt away to nothing. Nothing left. Great wee fire pit. And all you could hear was the fire in the water last night. That's where we parked last night. Great wee spot. And all the time we've parked, I think we've only ever seen one car pass. So I can't complain with that. And we were there since lunchtime yesterday, so it's been great. Nice and quiet. Let's just see all the water. Oh, all the rapids, sorry. We'll go here and let you see it. This says they'd bring you back at the bridge, but I'd managed to come down here onto the rocks. I couldn't not show you this. Just looks amazing. Made it to the bridge. Don't think you can hear me over the thunder into the water, but it's amazing here. There's the bridge. Just shows the power of the water where it's carved into all the rocks. The size of that tree that's been balanced up there when we'd like to be here when the water's been that high. Back to the van to see if the girls have had their breakfast and that yet. See if Sky's up. See what the plans are for today. Thought we'd come up here to the Loch Taylor viewpoint so we can have some lunch. And there's everybody in there. So we're going to have some lunch. A great view. It's even still snow on top of the mountains.
My foot.
Ah.
What?
Daddy cracked the cheese.
Ah, crickets.
Do you see where it went?
Yeah. Oh my god! What? You just broke it completely.
Well, that's us heading home. We're just up to the Green Villa to stretch our legs and go to the toilet before we head home. So what do we say?
Let's relax.
Good job.
Come on then.
See you after.